What you need to know is today an isolated shower will have more cloud cover. And then you'll notice Wednesday for the first half of the day, we highlighted that as a weather impact alert. That's because we'll have some rain and some thunderstorms back in our forecast. A couple of those could be on the strong, maybe even severe side with some localized flooding. The second half of the day, we may track another round of rainfall, but the severe weather threat is basically non-existent for the second half of the day. And then on Thursday, lower rain chances, but still a couple of showers possible. We'll have a shortwave trough pushing through tonight into early tomorrow morning, and that's when we get those showers and thunderstorms firing up with the first round of rainfall overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning, a second round of rainfall arriving behind that. But again, it's going to be the first round of rainfall that will have isolated strong to severe storms across the coastal bend and South Texas, with wind being the biggest concern. I think the bigger threat will be the potential of some localized flooding in our central and our northern locations. This is going to go until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Right now, though, things are nice and quiet. Our Coastal Parks beach cam showing beautiful conditions, just a couple of clouds. Otherwise, mostly sunny conditions to start. Everyone else waking up to mostly cloudy conditions. We'll continue that cloud cover throughout the day today with just a few isolated showers late morning, early afternoon. And then this evening, we'll get that rainfall gradually beginning to develop as that shortwave trough pushes into the coastal bend. For today, though, because of that cloud cover, high temperatures reach the middle to upper 80s, with our winds picking up around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Then it's after 6 o'clock tonight that we'll watch our western locations for a couple of showers. Then overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning, we'll track scattered rain, scattered thunderstorms as that first wave rolls through. And then that second wave most likely going to arrive tomorrow afternoon. Most models are hinting at the second wave arriving in the afternoon hours. There's one outlier showing late morning, early afternoon, but for now we're keeping it in the late afternoon hours rather than the late morning hours. If anything changes, of course, we'll let you know. But for now, that's kind of the latest forecast thinking. So strong storms overnight with some localized flooding possible through tomorrow morning, with another round possible on Wednesday. We're looking at 1 to maybe 2 inches of precipitation. Looking at your 7-day forecast, we're down to 20% coverage of rainfall on Thursday, an isolated rain chance on Friday, then drier to start the weekend.